This 2019 Grand Design Momentum 394M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Grand Design is 42 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 9, water heater, LP detector, external shower, slideout, smoke detector, skylight, air conditioning, Colorado detector, oven, leveling jacks, and 157 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Grand Design Momentum 394M is 15,100 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.